all these people in the damn. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Please Clickspot back on a video, and today we have another mystery box. If you watched my last episode, episode 24 of the Clickspot Live Cop, I told y'all I'm gonna have something in, and luckily it came in today before you even had to go to work or anything like that. I'm really happy about that, and it's a heavy box. I'm gonna show y'all right there. So here's the box. Oh my gosh. So we got a $750 mystery box. So let's open it. Alright y'all, so I got the box open, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna look at the camera and just pull something out. So I don't really wanna look at it, but $750 is the number to beat. And first off, we got a Jordan box. Size 11.5 Air Jordan. It says Air Jordan Red 11 Low, and these are the okay, good condition. These are in great condition, matter of fact. Cut my phone off. Size 11 says Oregon Blue. Size 11.5. This is a good shoe. I can't tell if it may be dead stock because I don't see any dirt or anything on the shoe itself, and the bottoms are actually like there's yellow because I mean it's aged, but like at the end of the day, like these are still like 90. They don't even look worn. I don't see any creases. I don't see any, because I've had pairs of these before and they crease real bad like up in here because the leather on here is really good leather. So, but first shoe out the box is Air Jordan 11 Low, and yeah, so size 11. So this may be dead stock. I'm saying this is dead stock as of right now. Oh yeah, brand. Oh wow. On his side, I guess he's selling them for $325, and it says they are brand new. So first DS pair out of the box. Let's get to the second shoe. Another box. We got a. Oh wait. Oh, this one says Air Jordan 12, size 13. Okay. Air Jordan 12 playoff, size 13. This is my size. But only thing is, I don't even wear 12s no more, which is kind of crazy. I don't even wear. Like, I'll wear them, but I don't really care for them too much. But these are looking like, these are definitely a beater shoe, you know. It's not in great condition, but Air Jordan 12 playoffs, maybe a quick clean, decrease, maybe a little repaint because there's some stains and just maybe some unyellow. You gotta unyellow this part, but all in all, it's an okay shoe. You know, a little bit of heel drag, and they're a size 13. So size 13, Air Jordan 12 playoffs, and it wasn't an OG box. It came in an Adidas box, but on his website he had them listed for $140. But I'll probably price them different because I don't be trying to break necks on prices and whatnot. Let's get into the next box. So we got a human race box. Wonder which ones these are. Okay. Wow, it looks like even tried to sell them to StockX, but didn't do that. But we got these I used to have these a while ago. If you go back, I had the black version of this pack when they first came out. But this is a size 9, and these are I mean, I see a little bit of dust on whatnot on like a little bit of like a dark little like shadowish look on the bottom. It says these are brand new, and price on these on here says he's brand new, and he was selling for $300. So hey, I'm not gonna hold you. This box, we may be looking good. We got 2 DS shoes right now, and even though human racers don't do that well, I know, you know, people around me are gonna like a shoe like this. I know I like these shoes. Still got the tags on them. Oh yeah. So these are definitely DS, and I may just clean the bottom up a little bit because I'm not liking how it has that little like dirt look to it. The camera probably won't pick it up, but there's the bottoms. But I mean, hey, let's move on to the next shoe. We got 3 shoes so far, and it's looking good. I'm not gonna hold you. And also, this box is from Ultimate Kicks 23, not the other person I was getting boxes from. I just wasn't making nothing from it. And besides, if y'all go back, the first mystery box I did was like a $300 mystery box. That was from Ultimate Kicks, and it was a banger. Like, it was a good one. And that one was only $300, and I made like $500. So I made like $200 in profit. So he has good boxes. So let's go into the next shoe. Oh man, I looked at the box and I seen it was brown. I didn't know what to think. But this one says Air Jordan 4 motor. It says brand new on here too. Ooh. Another. Oh yeah, these are definitely DS. Okay. 3 DS shoes. And I know these ones, if these were the white ones, they would definitely go for a little bit more, but they got the hang tag still. Only thing is, they don't have OG boxes, what I'm kind of upset about, but these are a size 8.5. Brand new Air Jordan 4 Motorsports. Oh yeah. Yeah, these are definitely brand new. They still got everything inside. I wish they had the OG, if they had OG box straight to stock or something like that, but these may have to go to GOAT for real. No creasings, no nothing. I think they may have been tried on a little bit because there's a little bit of, when you put the shoe on, there's a little bit of ankle crease, but these are definitely dead stock. And on here, you had them for $350. I don't know if that's how much they're really going for, but hey man, $350 is a lot because 2 shoes already said $350 on the box. So we're gonna see. So that's the 4th shoe. Let's see him. I'm gonna feel it around. We have 1. It feels like we have 3 more to go. So hey, this box has been great. Air Jordan 5, size 11. Ooh, fire reds. Fire red 5s. I've had lots of these. These, for some reason, these before the 2020 version came out, these move so well for me. Like, these, I would get these, move them easily. Quick little 100 piece. So, we're going to see how quick these move now that 2020 version has came out. But these are a size 11, and they had them for $120 on the site. But you know, I may do like a quick little 60, 70, you feel me? And if you want any of these pairs I'm showing y'all, hit me in my DMs, or I may post them on my Instagram or something like that, and just let me know. I'm filming deals for y'all. I'm letting you know, I'm not gonna break y'all necks. If y'all want a shoe, I'm gonna give you a good deal on the shoe. Simple as that. Like, I'm gonna sell y'all the shoe for the low, cause I'm gonna get it for the low. If I get something for the low, I got y'all for the low. Simple as that. So, Air Jordan 5, fire reds. All these needs a quick clean because these laces are definitely dirty. But you know, your boy Just Blaze can fix that. But yeah, great. This is a great shoe. Good shoe. Size 11, good condition. Nothing too serious. No, actually, nah. Now that I think about it, I looked at the other shoe. The only thing there is a little bit of cracking. So yeah, these are definitely gonna have to go for the low. A little bit of cracking on the netting, but it's nothing too major. But like I said, I felt like 3 more shoes in there, or 3 more boxes. So let's go into the next box. Alright. So these are Nike Vapor Max mock. So these are, what size are these? 4.5. This is like the smallest shit I've ever had. But we got an Air Max Vapor. We got an Air Max right here in a size 4.5. I'm not really too familiar with the Air Max market, but size 4.5. I may let these go for like, I don't know, $40 to be honest. Give them a quick clean real quick. Get them looking nice and right again. And because it looks like they're worn, but not very much. So size 4.5, real simple. He had them on here for $130, but I'm probably gonna do like 50, 60 for real. I'm not gonna try to get a whole bunch of these. So that's 6 shoes so far. Let's see. And the last one, I think this is the last one. Yep, that was the last shoe. And this one is an Air Ewing 33, size 10.5. Yeah. So it looks like we opened the banger shoes first, and now we're just, this is the last shoe. We're just sort of slowing down and everything. But we got an Ewing. It says focus. Yeah, I really don't know what to say about these ones. Cool little black and red colorway, but not something I wear. It looks more like a boot to me. Something you wear like a boot, not anything like basketball or stuff like that. But it has a basketball on here, so you can hoop in these, I guess, but you wouldn't catch me hooping in them. But these ones definitely gonna go for the low also. I don't know how much these are really going. On here he had them for $60, so I'm probably gonna do like $50, $60 for the same thing. But I'm not gonna hold you. This mystery box was nice. Like, out of my other past mystery boxes, we had 3 DS shoes. We had the Motorsport 4s. We had the Human Racers. We had the first shoe we opened up. What was that? The Air Jordan 11, all brand new. So and prices, the price he had them priced at was pretty high. So I'm pretty sure we definitely made our money back on this box. All I'm trying to see is how much we made back, and y'all are seeing right now what the prices are looking at. But without even checking the prices, this box, I'm gonna come back and give it a little analysis on what I think after I look up prices for everything. Then I'm gonna let y'all know what I think, and I'm gonna give it the box a rating out of 10. Be right back. All right, y'all. So we're back now, and overview of the box. We got, let's see, we got 3 DS shoes, we got 4 U shoes. So that's 7 pairs of shoes. After I looked at it, yeah, this box is a great box. Good profit to be made. Only thing I still wish is, because when I checked the Motorsport prices, and they hitting like 400. Like, I didn't even know that. So if they had the OG box of them 4s, then that would have been like the best shoe in the box. But the thing about the 11s is, on stock, when I checked StockX, I didn't even see them. Like, I didn't even see, like, there were really much no DS sizes, I guess. So but last sale I think was like 250. So I'm gonna price it somewhere around there, and I'll put it on StockX and see if someone buys it or whatnot. I'm gonna put it some other places too, but like I said, Instagram, just hit my DMs on Instagram, and whatever the price says in the video, that's what I'm gonna sell it to you guys for. So if you see the price in the video and you like that price, hit my DM if you want it, or get in contact with me somehow and I'll get you your pair. Simple as that. But box A, I'll give it an A. Great A. If like I said, if it had that Motorsport 4 OG box, it would have been 10 out of 10 A+. Simple as that. But that was the only reason why I'm gonna give it that, and that's about it for this video. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gone.